daming booking. Oh my G. Guys, so sorry ha kasi ilang beses na akong nahuhuli kasi sa, alam niyo kung saan ako bumabiyahe, di ba? Ilang beses akong nahuli doon. Susubukan ko naman dito sa ibang TNC na mag-online. Baka sakaling dito makapag-prank tayo kasi bistado na ako doon sa kabilang kabilang TNC. So dito ang kagandahan lang dito, 10% lang yung nila, yung commission nila. So subukan natin. Alam niyo naman siguro kung ano tong app na to. Sabi nila Inday. Shout out InDrive. InDrive, baka naman. Joke lang, InDrive. So ayun, dito online tayo kasi 10% nga lang yung nila, yung commission rate, commission nila, yung bawa yung kaltas. So baka mas marami pa tayong free rides dito, no?
Kaya marunong ka talaga mag-Korean? Korean? Marunong ka mag-Korean?
야, 한국 사람이에요.
Ikaw yung vlogger.
Logo.
Sabi niyo nga ito.
Logo? You part Korea driver here. Part Korea driver here. We are part Korea driver here. We have a community.
Ano daw?
Community.
Oh, community.
Korean community here.
Why do you choose to work here?
We are planning to build a business here.
What kind of business?
It's Pogo, you know. Pogo.
Pogo daw.
Sugar. You know that?
Sugal daw.
Sugar. Yeah. Sugar. Yeah.
That's asukal.
Yeah, sugar.
Ay, asukal.
Yeah, hindi.
Pugo?
Yeah. Yeah, we are we go to community, Korea community. Pogo farming, Papaga.
Pugo. Farming in Pampanga.
Where?
Quail egg.
You know quail, right? Quail.
Yeah, quail.
Yeah, quail.
Favorite niyo.
Yeah, that's my favorite. Quail.
Oh, you eat the quail?
Yeah.
Eating.
The orange one.
Oh yeah, the orange one. You working?
Yeah.
Working. You are not student. No student.
No.
What is your work? What work?
Guys.
Legal no work.
Legal work.
Yeah. They are my friends.
야, 그런데요. 왜요? What is your name? Your name?
Yeah, my name is Dre.
Dre?
Yeah. And what's her name?
Mau.
Mao?
Mao.
Tiny.
I need.
Ayaw, Mao also. Friend.
Wow.
Mao. Yeah, my
Wow,
friend.
wow.
Mao. Last name is Mao. First
And
name
then
is
Owen.
Hale.
Halima.
Mao. Mao Hale. Mao Hale. It's, you know, the last name first.
What?
Hmm?
What?
In Korea, we used to last name first, like a Mao Hale. My friend.
Oh, Halima. Halima daw.
Yeah, just call me Park.
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 Park Go.
Park.
Mark. Park.
Park. Yeah, Park.
Park.
Yeah, very popular in
Park.
Korea. Park.
Yeah.
You know Satara, right? Mm.
Dara Park.
Yeah, Park. Last name is Long.
Park Long. Park
Yeah,
Long.
no, T Park. Yeah, T Park. T Park.
T Park.
Do you know that? T Park.
Park.
The last name is Long.
T Park Long.
Long T Park. The last name first. Last name first, yeah.
Park
T
daw.
Ah, okay.
Very smart.
Genius.
200m 앞에서 좌회전입니다.
I love working here.
Here in Quezon City.
Yeah, very whole.
Lot of
bookings. Yeah, bookings. Yeah.
Why you don't accept it?
Later, because not city trouble. Right? A lot of.
Do you have Korean sticker? I mean Korea sticker like
Hmm?
this. Do you have Korea sticker like this?
No.
Oh, just here.
Yeah, just here.
Yeah.
Oh. Wait. Oh, you pee in there.
Huh?
You pee, drop a pee there. Yeah, you pee in there, but you
Ah.
here. It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
How much?
196.
How much is it?
Let's have a picture.
Picture?
Yeah.
You shoot picture? You look good.
Kita ba? Alright.
Ayaw, without face mask.
Oh, without face. Tapos mo pa kami.
Kilala niyo pala ako? Oo. Sino hindi nakakilala? Lahat kayo nakakilala? ito sa likod ko, hindi yata.
Tahimik lang ako.
Tahimik lang siya. Kaya, shy type. Oh my God. Sabi ko,
Pagod na kami.
Panood niyo pala ako?
Opo.
So, nasakay ko kayo sa InDrive. Kasi Grab talaga ako, di ba?
Ay,
Lumipat ako dito. Nagtaka ka na?
Opo, sabi ko.
Sa Grab yun.
Oo, alam ko po sa Grab.
Baka sakali makapag-prank eh. Kaso nga, hindi pala. Kilala pala ako. So, okay lang sama ko sa content?
Go lang.
Okay lang. Ito, shoutout to. Ayan, shoutout. Baka may shoutout kayo. Wala? Oh my God.
Shoutout sa mga taga-Isabela.
Okay.
Shoutout po sa
Nice to
mga
meet
taga-
you. At saka, kayo yung kauna-unahang mabibigyan ko ng free ride sa InDrive. Yay!
Gawin yung pago.
Ito, bibigyan ko ng sticker pala.
Ayun ba? Libre.
Ito, oh. Ayan, ito. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ayan.
Tapos, meron pa akong ibibigay sa inyo na previous galing sa The Gifters Garden by AC.
Ano ko sa pago?
Christmas basket po ba yun?
Ayan.
Thank you po.
Ito pa. Hindi nyo na ako makakalimutan yan.
Libre nga.
Oo, basta inyo yan. Tapos free rides pa. Oh yeah, baka may naisip pa kayong shoutout yung mga kasamahan sa trabaho.
Shoutout po sa mga friends na.
Yan. Call center kayo, no?
Hindi po.
Hindi, ano kayo? Ano?
Iba po kami.
Ha?
Iba-iba po.
Ay, iba? Ay, hindi kayo sa Pogo? Oh, sige. Maraming salamat ha. At
Merry Christmas po.
Yan, Merry Christmas. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Ah,
po.
sige po.
Thank you po.
Diyan na lang sa right side.
Thank you po. po. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Thank you po. Bye-bye.
Ah, ah.
Thank you po.
Bye. Oh my G! Good vibes lang, good vibes lang.